Patch Customer Success here. In this video, we're going to walk through how you can utilize segments in a blast. Directly from the segments section within the account settings in your patch management portal, you will see this microphone icon on all of the segments. When clicking the microphone icon, it allows you to create a blast that utilizes this specific segment. If I click the Create Time microphone, it prompts, would you like to create a blast using this segment? When I select yes, go to blast, I can name this blast. I can choose the type of blast. I'm going to select SMS in this case. And then here in the recipient section, you can see that zero contacts match my rule filter, and that's why I received the error code. But you can see that the segment that I chose, it automatically created my blast with using that segment as a condition and applying those rule filters inside of the blast. You also have the ability to create a new blast. To create a new blast, you click the purple circle with the plus icon from the blast module. You can again give your blast a name, choose the type of blast, and it's going to ask who is receiving the blast. You have two options. You can decide to send it to all of your opted-in contacts, or you can filter recipients. If you select to filter recipients, you can add your rule conditions here, or you have the ability to use the purple button that allows you to select one of the previously existing segments. I can again walk in here, view all the segments that are shared to my account. I can filter by the different types of segments, and then I can find the segment I want to use, and I can select it, and it automatically applies that segment to the blast. You also have the ability to create a segment directly from here. So maybe we want to find all of those contacts who have ordered. So if their last order is in the most recent 90 days, I can apply and add that segment, that rule condition here, giving me the ability to even save what I've created as a segment. So I can say, use this as order date. I can click save and close, and this will create a new segment. Again, I can view, manage, and edit that segment within the segment section in the account settings, or I can also view that segment and utilize that segment within the contact section and anywhere else throughout the portal as segments are carried over from the field editor, such in kiosk flows, forms, smart offers, blasts, and automations.